hope you're all safe and healthy at your home. So today I am here to discuss about the NIFT counseling process 2020. We have been receiving a lot of inquiries and messages and calls from the NIFT aspirants that what will be the counseling process, what preparations we need to take, what are the list of documents and many more. So I will be telling you what is the overall process and the preparation that you need to take this year. So we can definitely expect that because of the pandemic situation this year, all the counseling process maybe will be conducted on the online mode, because till the previous year NIFT was conducting the counseling process on the offline basis, and this year I hope all the process will be taken into consideration according to the online process. And definitely I think by this time you all have received the mail which has all the annexures that you need to fill up for the counseling process. Now the question is, apart from the annexure, what are the documents that you need to take? So first of all, I want to tell you one thing. Whichever course you are appearing for, may it be BDes like Bachelor of Design, Master of Design, BF Tech, MF Tech or MFM, there are certain common documents that you need to take with you. I will tell you what are they. First of all, you need to take 2 passport size photos, 4 stamp size photos, and make sure to take the certificate of the last qualified examination with you. For example, in case if you are appearing for Bachelor of Design after completing your 12th, then take your 12th mark sheet and your school leaving certificate as well. And in case you have done already a graduation and after that again you are going for another Bachelor of Design in NIFT, then you need to take your 12th certificate along with your graduation documents. And the students who are appearing for the master's degree like MFM, MF Tech or MDes, they need to take all the graduation documents along with the other photograph and the certificates. For example, suppose if you are appearing for Master of Design MF Tech, then make sure to take all the results of your semester separately along with your final result. They will need to check all the documents that you have with you. Now, here I would suggest another thing to you. The annexure that you have received for mail, I will suggest don't take a single copy of the annexure as a printout. Make sure to take at least 3 copies, because what you will be doing is that fill up the annexure, keep an extra copy with you, and in case if you have any doubt according to the documents, then do one thing. Whatever you doubt you have according to your documents, fill it up in the another copy and keep it as your safe copy with you. So as your annexure states in your NIFT mail, I will tell you another thing, that whoever students are appearing for the Bachelor of Design, make sure if you have done your plus 2 examination in the proper 10 plus 12 examination pattern, then you need to take your school leaving certificate. And in case there are many other options, such as if anyone have done the AICTE recognized degree as your 12th, then you need to take that degree also. Now here I will tell you one more thing, that make sure whatever document you have is properly government recognized. Another thing that I will tell, especially for the category students like SC, ST, OBC and PWD, make sure to take your category documents along with all your other documents. And as the NIFT mail states, make sure what document according to the category you have, it is updated according to the April 2019. Otherwise, it will not be considered in the counseling process. So now coming into the fee structure, many students are very much confused that what preparations they need to take and how they will need to fill up all the annexures and pay their fees. I guess you all have noticed one thing, that NIFT has already given account details on the annexure, which I would suggest, just because maybe all the things will be conducted on the online mode, make sure to add this account as your beneficiary, which will be of great help. Just because you will be transferring quite a lot of amount, maybe it will take a long process, so it's better that you can add the account as your beneficiary from whichever account you are transferring the amount. So for example, as the Bachelor of Design and the annexure states over here, the Bachelor of Design students will be needing a 1,52,850 fees that you need to pay according to the counseling process. So here I would like to tell you one more thing, that most of the students is very much confused about that. One is how to do the medical certificate process. Now, as long as the NIFT website suggests, and you all have I guess received another mail that was forwarded in part of NIFT stating that looking into the present pandemic situation, you don't need to take a proper medical examination, just because it will be very much difficult for you all to travel to all the hospitals and the doctor's chambers. So what you can do is that you can take an entire copy of your medical certificate from a MBBS doctor which is duly registered with Medical Counselling of India, having a valid license to the practice of India. So make sure to prepare all these documents before sitting for the counseling session. And one more thing that I would like to say again, that don't take a single copy of the annexure. And one more thing I would like to remind you about is that take a scan copy, maybe in the PDF format or in a JPG format. So here I would like to tell you one more thing, that maybe when you will be receiving the entire rank list of NIFT, there will be two types of rank you already have got in your result. One is the common rank, another is the category rank. But here I would like to state one more thing, is that you will be called for the counseling process according to your common rank. So make sure the annexure where you need to state your rank, mention your common rank and category rank both. And in case if you have any doubt then which rank to state, then you can do one thing, take a copy of your annexure, state your common rank over there, take another copy and state your category rank over there, so that you can get a proper clarification during the time of the counseling process. And here I would like to tell you one more thing, that make sure whatever documents that you're presenting during your counseling process, make sure all the documents are attested and properly signed by you. Otherwise, NIFT is not going to consider any of your documents. And still now students, I would like to tell you one more thing, that if you still now have any other queries and you are worried and confused about your counseling process, you can do one thing, you can definitely get back to us on the numbers that are flashing on your screen. And otherwise, if you have still any doubt, you can also do one thing, fill up your annexure properly, get all the documents ready and mail us on our official mail ID. We will definitely try to help you out and properly make you ready for the counseling process. So best of luck to all the students who are appearing for the NIFT counseling process 2020. Best of luck to all the aspirants. And if you feel that this video was quite informative for you, then you can definitely follow us on Instagram, and also you can like, share and subscribe our channel to get all the updates on the design, art and architecture fields.